How to change the avatar in Amazon Prime Video app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Amazon Prime Video app. Once you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you will see this kind of home interface. Now, in order to change the avatar of your profile, you need to go to the profile settings first. Here in this home screen at the bottom right corner, you can see your account's icon. Tap on it. Now in this page at the top left corner, you can see your profile icon. Tap on it. Here you can see list of profiles available in your account. In order to change the avatar, you need to edit profiles over here. So tap on this edit profile button. Now you need to select the profile where you want to change the avatar of. Simply tap on the profile. Now you will be in the edit mode of this profile. In order to change the avatar, here at the top you can see the change image option. Tap on it. It will prompt you to this profile image page. From here you can select different avatars for your profile. You can explore through it and select the avatar that you like. There are various categories of avatar available for you to choose. So you can select the one that you like. For example, I'll choose this one. You can simply tap on it. And now all you need to do is you can tap on the save button at the bottom. And there you go. The avatar of your profile has been successfully changed. So it's a very easy process to change the avatar. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.